Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start by choosing a 16:9 rectangular workspace and lightly sketch a horizon line 2/3 up the page to set perspective. Block in the car using a 1/24 scale, so the real BMW i8 length of 174. 2 inches is converted to your paper measurements. Measure and mark those endpoints. Establish the wheelbase by placing 2 wheel centers 110.6 inches apart in scale, which ensures proportions stay accurate as you refine the roofline and cabin silhouette. Map the major volumes: hood, cabin, rear haunches, and the distinctive floating roof, keeping each area proportional to the 1/24 block-in. Use a 2H pencil for light construction lines, then switch to HB for panel edges and 4B for deeper shadows and reflected light. Carefully indicate the butterfly door seam and characteristic air channel shapes along the flank before defining wheel arches and multi-spoke 20-inch rims, so the mechanical details sit naturally within the body panels. Choose a single, strong light source and render core shadows, midtones, and sharp reflections to achieve a glossy automotive finish. Use cross-contour strokes to follow the body curvature and convey materiality. Lift crisp highlights with a kneaded eraser and deepen contrast with selective 4B shading. Finish wheels with specular highlights on spokes, and add ground shadows plus a faint reflection beneath the car to anchor it. Refine edges, clean construction lines, and evaluate overall balance for a realistic BMW.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.